2026 budget on 2nd February 2026. A new 40-kilometer underground railway is started for Northeast India. Importance of preserving wetlands stress on World Wetlands Day 2026 and in sports. Athletic Bilbao and Real Sociedad that ended in a 1-1 draw in La Liga Football League. 22-year-old Carlos Alcaraz defeated Novak Djokovic to clinch his first Australian Open title. Manipur beat South Africa 8-7 in final trigger to lift the title trophy. State team for 69 innings, the under-19 boxing head to Bengaluru. MU is set to host inter-college Kanta competition. Thank you.
Assembly, attention!
Please repeat after me. I'm always happy and calm and stable in every situation. My memory and concentration are excellent. I eat healthy food. My body is perfect and busy spirit. I use gadgets only for study. I respect everyone. I respect nature. I shall maintain discipline in and out of school. I shall stand up against bullying and injustice. I shall take care of school property and not damage it. We shall stay away from drugs and other harmful substances. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Maharaj Ji, dear teachers and students. I'm here to announce the awards for Best Class Discipline Awards for the month of January 2026. So, as we are aware that there are two categories of the awards. The first one is Best Class Discipline Assembly, and the second one is Best Class Discipline Classroom. So I am pleased to announce that the Best Class Discipline Assembly for the month of January 2026 goes to Class 3, Section C. I request the class teacher of Class C, Section C, and the class representatives to come over here. And I also request the dear Principal Maharaj Ji to please hand over their words. Okay. I think class teacher is absent for class 3 section C. So the prime director madam, you can please collect the award.
Oh, very good.
Now the second category of award, Best Class Discipline Classroom.
Wait. Who is expected to ask? Raise their hands. Who is expected? Anybody is expecting?
Okay, anybody who is expected, please raise your hands. Which class? Any guess?
Nobody is lifting. No confidence.
Okay, the suspense is over. Now, the Best Class Discipline Classroom Award winner is Class 7, Section C. So the class teacher, all class teachers, Section C, and the representative for the class, please come over here and to receive their word. Again, I request Principal Karachi to please another word.
Madam, come here. You are there. You must report.
Thank you, Maharajji, and I congratulate all the winners. Thank you very much.
When we announce this prize, so I promise the class who is winning this consecutively, or not consecutively, but in this year, twice, then we'll give some feast or they may go for some tour or somewhere. So another month is there. No, February is there. March maybe you are busy with examination. So up to February, if suppose somebody from any other class, if they repeat this, then I will try to take them somewhere, some tour or somewhere. So those who have already won the prize earlier, so there should be some competition between them. They have already won 2 prizes, but in different category, is it not? Yes. They are different category, but still we will consider their same. Thank you.